Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can insert or delete a table in the Notes app on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen or in the app library, open up the Notes app. Next, we go down and open up a Notes folder. In here, open up the note, and to insert a table, tap on a blank spot in the note, and make sure you open up the toolbar down here. If it's not visible, just tap on the add button to open up the toolbar, and then tap on the table button, and this will allow you to insert a table. By default, the table will come with 2 columns and 2 rows, and then from here you can start to type in the table. So column 1 and then row 1. If you want to insert more rows or column on the table, just tap on the dot right here and then tap on add column or delete column if you want to delete a column. And to insert more rows, just tap on the side and then tap on it again. So tap on the side, then tap on it again one more time, and from here you can add in a row. And that is how you can add more rows to the table. To delete the table, simply tap on the table. So tap on that and then tap on the table at the bottom here, and then tap on delete table, and the table will be removed from the Notes app. And that's it. So that is how you can add or remove a table in the Notes app on the iPhone 14 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.